So today I got a mystery box, all right? It's a clothing mystery box. This one was $125. Not that crazy, but you know, it is a lot of commitment, a lot of risk. And this is actually a brand that I never bought from, so that's even bigger of a risk. I looked on their site and I liked all their clothing. You know what I'm saying? So I was like, I'm gonna try it out. So they had a mystery box, and I'm just hoping they put the stuff that I want in there. That's the thing, it's a risk. I could have just literally bought what I wanted to buy, but I decided, let me just make content out of this. Let's see if they put it in there. Let's see if they add some fire stuff. And this brand is called After 430. So After 430, you said it was a mystery box. This is giving a package. This is giving a package. It feels kind of hefty. It feels like there's a lot of stuff in there. Baby, it's not a box, though. Mystery package, but not a box. And they were cool though. They had good customer service. I DM'd them and they were nice. They said we're gonna make this thing go crazy. It's gonna eat after 4:30. After you better eat. So anyways, let me do no more talking. My name is Shawnee. I go by Shawnee the Tsunami on social media. But on this channel, listen, we're gonna keep it tsunami because listen, it's not the drip. Baby, it's the tsunami. All right, let's go ahead and rip into this. Like I said, it's a black package, but I'm ready to see what's in this mystery box. Mystery package. Damn, it's giving garbage bag. It's a little strong smell. Okay, so this is something that I thought was pretty dope. I kind of wanted it. So it's just a black zip up. It has like a mesh head. Like, you know what I'm saying? So you can zip it all the way up and see through it, kinda. But I just wanted a black zip up. So I mean, this is pretty dope. I like the little print on it. 430 on there, little purple 430. But this is nothing special. So I mean, this is something that I actually wanted, but I wasn't gonna go out and buy. So that's why I was like, let me just go buy this mystery box, because there's a couple things that I want but actually don't care to like buy separately. But here's some leather pants. I saw this leather pant. This leather pant is kind of crazy. It's something that's out there. It has like a green and blue cheetah print like patch on it, and it's dope. I love leather pants though. But I think these are pretty dope pattern. I can make these things work. You know what I'm saying? These are dope. I'm excited for these. All right, so we got a little keychain. All right, but this is the last thing, and they don't have what I actually wanted. What I wanted was those yellow pants with the little pink lightning at the end. That's why it was a risk. That's why this was something that a lot of people don't do, but I just wanted content, you know what I mean? Now this last thing, this is a t-shirt. Let me see what's on it. All right, little graphic on it with a little middle finger on it. Edginess. This was pretty dope. I like everything that they gave me. Like I said, I did want those yellow pants with the little pink lightning at the bottoms. I might buy them just to buy them, but this was a risk. I wanted to try out a mystery box, and I finally tried out a mystery box, so that's what I got, and I'm happy with it. It gave me more clothing, something to work with. I love putting outfits together, if you know me, so this does the job. I love it. So that will be the end of the video, and y'all know how my outros go. I have nothing to give you. Get out of here.